India lost one of its most decorated officers, Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat, in an Indian Air Force helicopter crash near Kannur in Tamil Nadu on Wednesday, December 8th. 13 out of 14 on board have been confirmed dead, while Group Captain Varun Singh SC is currently under treatment. Indian Army's First Lady Madhulika Rawat, Bipin Rawat's wife too, was on board in the ill-fated helicopter. CDS General Bipin Rawat was born in Pauri, Uttarakhand on March 16, 1958. He was an alumnus of the St. Edward's School, Shimla. He later went on to graduate from National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla. General Bipin Rawat went on to attend the Indian Military Academy, after which he was commissioned into the Indian Army in December 1978. Fortunately, he was commissioned in the same unit as his father, the 5th Battalion of 11 Gurkha Rifles. Following his father, Lieutenant General Lakshman Singh Rawat's footsteps, CDS Bipin Rawat rose to the highest rank in the Indian Army. He was awarded the Param Vishisht Seva Medal and Uttam Yudh Seva Medal for his exemplary services in the Army. The first CDS was a veteran of counter-insurgency warfare and had served in some of the most difficult terrains of India, including the Northern and Eastern Commands. During his 4 decades in service, Rawat had served as a brigade commander, General Officer Commanding-in-Chief Southern Command, General Staff Officer Grade 2 at the Military Operations Directorate, Colonel Military Secretary and Deputy Military Secretary in the Military Secretary's branch and Senior Instructor in the Junior Command Wing. CDS Rawat has been a part of many international bilateral visits to places like the United States, Russia, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Nepal. He was also an honorary general in the Nepalese army. General Rawat had escaped death in 2015 when a single-engine helicopter crashed minutes after it took off from Nagaland. Days after the government had announced the creation of the CDS position, General Bipin Rawat was appointed as the first Tri-Service Chief in December 2019.